Okay, I am G. Kurumaya, lecturer in chemistry, Government Degree College, Co-Education, Vanapati. Now we discuss about some chemical properties of phenols, that is a nitration. First reaction, nitration. Nitration phenols, if react with dilute nitric acid to form orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol is formed. If phenols react with concentrated nitric acid to form 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol, that is a picric acid is formed. Picric acid, that is also called picric acid. If phenol OH, phenol, if react with dilute HNO3 nitric acid to form ortho and para nitrophenol is formed. That is ortho. OH ortho NO2 plus OH NO2. It is ortho. Here NO2 plus act as a electrophile. So it is also one of the electrophilic substitution reaction. It is to form ortho nitrophenol. It is paranitrophenol. Paranitrophenol is formed. If you take another one, that is phenols react with the concentrated nitric acid. Phenols react with concentrated nitric acid. Generally, phenols are more acidic than the benzene. What may be? Benzene, more reactive. This easily undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction due to hydroxyl functional group. These are concentrated HNO3 to form here trinitrophenol OH NO2 here NO2. What is 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. So it is also called picric acid. Picric acid is formed. It is a nitration. If you take another one, that is halogenation. Second reaction. These are electrophilic substitution reactions. Halogenation, sulfonation, alkylation, and nitration. What may be the electrophilic alkylation or acylation? These are electrophilic substitution reactions. So this phenol also undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction, but the electrophilic substitution reaction is more than the benzene. Why? Because phenols have a hydroxyl functional group. It is an electron releasing group. So electron releasing group, what happened here? All benzene ring are activated. So ortho-para portion electron density is increases. That's why this incoming electrophile attack at ortho and para position. So to give ortho-para substituted compound is formed. So here nitration also same. This nitration means if phenols are more acidic, already. So it is reactive with the dilute HNO3 to form orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. If phenols react with the concentrated nitric acid to form 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, it is also called picric acid. So picric acid is formed. If you take another reaction, that is halogenation. Halogen means addition of or substitution of halogen. Halogenation. Halogenation reaction. Okay. If phenols react with bromine, phenols react with bromine in presence of carbon disulfide to form ortho and para bromophenols is formed. Ortho and para bromophenols are formed. If phenols react with bromine water to form tribromophenol is formed. If you take that is a phenol. Phenols have two types of reactions. That is react with bromine Br2 oblique CH2 carbon disulfide. To form here, two types of products are formed. That is one is ortho bromophenol, second one is para bromophenol. Br plus, that is para compound, OH here Br. It is orthobromophenol. Second one is para bromophenol. Bromophenol is formed. Phenol. If you take another one, it is also same reaction, but phenols react with bromine water Br2 in presence of H2O. Here form tribromophenol. That is OH Br, here Br, here Br. It is 2,4,6 tribromo phenol. Bromophenol is formed. So what happened here? It is water is generally water have a ఏమంటామంటే ధ్రువ ద్రావణి అంటాం. ఇట్ ఈస్ పోలార్ సాల్వెంట్. ఓకే, వాటర్ ఈస్ పోలార్ సాల్వెంట్. Here carbon disulfide is non-polar solvent. Polar solvent. Polar and non-polar solvent. Non-polar solvent gives only orthobromophenol and para-bromophenol, but polar solvent gives only 2,4,6 tribromophenol compound is formed. It is a halogenation reaction. If we take another one, that is sulfonation. Next reaction, that is sulfonation. These are electrophilic substitution reactions of phenols. So first sulfonation. Sulfonation means react with sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. If phenols react with concentrated sulfuric acid to form orthohydroxybenzene sulfonic acid, para-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid is formed. Wait, okay, it is a very simple reaction. Phenol, it is OH, react with concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4, concentrated sulfuric acid to form orthohydroxybenzene sulfonic acid. Orthohydroxybenzene sulfonic acid. OH, here SO3H. That is hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid. If you take another one, to form here, para-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid also formed. That is OH, here SO3H. It is a para-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid is formed. It is a sulfonation reaction. If you take another one, that is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation or acylation, what may be? Friedel-Crafts alkylation or acylation. Next reaction, that is the fourth one. Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. These are two same reactions. Alkylation, acylation. If phenols react with alkyl halide in presence of Lewis acid to form orthocresol and paracresol, or ortho-para compound is formed. That is orthomethylphenol or paramethylphenol, what may be. If phenols react with acetyl chloride in presence of AlCl3, that is Lewis acid, to form orthohydroxyacetophenone, para-hydroxyacetophenone is formed. It is a acylation reaction, alkylation and acylation, what may be? Phenol, OH, that is if react with alkyl halide, that is methyl chloride. If you take CS3Cl in process of Lewis acid AlCl3, it is alkylation to form ortho-para compound is formed. That is OH, that CS3. It is also cresol, orthocresol. It is also called cresol. Orthocresol it is. Plus paracresol is formed. Paracresol. OH, CH3. It is orthocresol. Second one is paracresol. It is also called orthohydroxy or orthomethylphenol, paramethylphenol. Orthomethylphenol, paramethylphenol, phenol is formed. If you take that is acylation reaction, that is acetyl chloride. If you take acid chloride, that is acetyl chloride in presence of Lewis acid like AlCl3, it is called acylation compound reaction. So to form here also two types of product, that is orthohydroxyacetophenone. First compound is orthohydroxyacetophenone, OH, OC, acetophenone, orthohydroxyacetophenone, CH3, hydroxyacetophenone, phenone. Second one is para-hydroxyacetophenone. It is C-double-bond-O-C-H. Para-hydroxyacetophenone is formed. Para-hydroxyacetophenone is formed. These are electrophilic substitution reactions. Some named reactions is there. Those are also very important reactions. So first we discuss about one named reaction, that is Kolbe-Schmidt reaction. Kolbe-Schmidt reaction. Kolbe-Schmidt. Kolbe-Schmidt. It is a very, very important reaction, but very easy reaction. Very easy reaction. Kolbe-Schmidt. Kolbe-Schmidt. Kolbe-Schmidt reaction. It is a very, very interesting, important reaction. It is an important Kolbe-Schmidt reaction. So what happened here? Kolbe-Schmidt reaction means phenols react with carbon dioxide in presence of sodium hydroxide at 200 degree centigrade, 200 degree atmosphere pressure, to form here orthosalicylaldehyde, salicylic acid, para-salicylic acid is formed. It is also called alpha-hydroxybenzoic acid, para-hydroxybenzoic acid is formed. It is known as a Kolbe-Schmidt reaction. Kolbe-Schmidt చర్య చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండి, చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది, లేదా కష్టమైనది ఏం కాదు, చాలాసార్లు ఎగ్జామ్లో కూడా వస్తుంది. ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ, ఫినాల్స్ను కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ తోటి సోడియం హైడ్రాక్సైడ్ సమక్షంలో 200 అట్మాస్ఫియర్ల పీడనంలో చర్య జరిపిస్తే మనకు ఆర్థోసాలిసిలిక్ ఆమ్లము, పారాసాలిసిలిక్ ఆమ్లం ఏర్పడుతుంది. వీటిని ఏమంటామంటే ఆర్థోహైడ్రాక్సీ బెంజోయిక్ యాసిడ్ అంటాం, పారాహైడ్రాక్సీ యాసిడ్ అనేటువంటి కాంపౌండ్స్ ఏర్పడతాయి. ఈ విధంగా ఏర్పడితే దాన్ని కోల్బే-స్మిట్ చర్య అంటాం. కోల్బే-స్మిట్ చర్య. ఇఫ్ యు టేక్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ phenol, that is OH, react with CO2, carbon dioxide. Here CO2 acts as a electrophile. So in presence of sodium hydroxide in OH at 200 atmosphere pressure is possible. Pressure to form here, that is acid OH, it is COOH plus another compound, that is hydroxy, here COOH. It is orthosalicylic acid. Orthosalicylic acid. It is a para-salicylic acid is formed. Salicylic acid. It is also called orthohydroxybenzoic acid. benzoic acid. It is a carboxylic acid. If it is called hydroxy benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. It is known as a cold-base Schmidt reaction. For this cold-base Schmidt reaction, now we discuss about mechanism of cold-base Schmidt reaction. It is a very, very important reaction. Mechanism. We discuss about mechanism. Mechanism. So very simple only. Mechanism also. So first of all, what happened here? The carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide is C double bond O. C double bond O. Here C double bond O. This between the carbon and oxygen, electron goes to oxygen. Why? Because oxygen is a more electronegativity than the carbon atom. So these bonded electrons generally goes to oxygen. So to form here, it is C double bond O. Here O minus negative positive charged ions is formed. So negative positive. These positive carbon atoms act as a electrophile. It is further an attack from phenol. Attack at phenol. Now we discuss about reaction. If we take that is phenol, it is act as a electrophile. OH, phenol or OH. It is electrophile. Write down. Electrophile. Electrophile it is. This electrophile now phenol electrophile, that is carbon dioxide. It is a neutral electrophile. What will? That is C double bond O minus. We know already electrophiles are two types. One is a positive charged electrophile, second one is a neutral electrophile. We know positive electrophile means positive charged carbon or any atoms have a positive charge. It is also called as a positive charged electrophile. If some compounds have there is no positive charge, but these compounds act as a electrophiles. Why? Because these compounds have a lone unpaired orbitals. So due to these unpaired orbitals, these compounds act as a neutral electrophile. So here carbon dioxide also act as a neutral electrophile. It is further react with phenol. So what happened here? If you take a base, that is sodium hydroxide, NaOH, to form here alkoxide ion, that is phenoxide ion. Alkoxide means phenoxide. O minus phenoxide ion is formed. It is further react with electrophile. That is C double bond O. Here O plus minus negative charge. It is positive charge. This positive charged carbon act as a electrophile. So what happened here? Away less electron density carbon. So what happened? These lone pair of electron goes to between the carbon and oxygen. These bonded electron goes to ortho position carbon atom. So what happened here? Ortho position carbon atom have a more electron density carbon. This more electron density carbon further react with electrophile. Electrophile means less electron density carbon. So these less electron density carbon always addition or react with more density carbon atom. So that is to form here one intermediate compound, double bond O, here electrophile, that is C double bond O minus. So what happened here? Bond, here bond. It is a intermediate compound is formed. Further this compound, it is between the carbon and hydrogen, electron pair shifted to this carbon, the benzene ring. So these electrons goes to oxygen. So what happened? This He plus ion further addition with the oxygen atom. He plus ion addition with oxygen atom. So to form here, that is OH, that is phenol. Next C double bond O minus, C double bond O minus, here oxygen pi bond. It is further on reactive with hydronium ion. It is reactive with hydronium ion. That is hydronium ion. That is H3O plus hydronium ion. H3O plus is known as hydronium ion. It is further reactive with these oxygen ion to form carboxylic group. That is orthohydroxybenzoic acid is formed. C double bond O, here OH. It is mechanism of Kolbe split reaction. So now it is